How to reset your Santander bank account password. So if you want to log into your Santander bank but you forgot your password, I'm going to show you how to recover it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one. On that note, let's begin. First of all, open any web browser you have available and then search for santanderbank.com. This will take you to the official website of the Santander Bank. So once you're in the website, you can see a big login button at the top right here. Just click on it, and here it will ask you for your user ID and your password. So in order to recover your password, you can click on Forgot Password, but if this is your first time using this website and you want to sign up for your account, you can click right here, and you can also recover your user ID from here. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your password. So I'm just going to click on this, and this will take you to a different portal where you can reset your password. Here, this will ask you for your user ID, and once you input your user ID, this will ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number. But if you don't have the SSN, what you can do is click right here, and this will ask you for your date of birth. And once you enter that and your ID, you click on continue, and this will take you to a different verification page where this will ask you to verify that it's actually you. And after you click on continue, after you verified, this will take you to another page where you can create a new password and confirm your new password without having to remember your old one. And after that, you just click on continue and OK, and that will set your new password, and you won't have to remember your old one. And that's how you can easily reset your password on your Santander online banking. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.